basically had to kick out my friend out of her own living room just to do this video. So first of all, colors. This is the sign for colors. Let's say there's a baby and I want to ask, what color is this? I could point to it and be like, so hello and welcome back to a sign language video. Today we are actually going to be doing more signs. Colors are important. You can use them to describe a couple of things here and there. Everybody who watches my videos always tells me, I understood what you were signing. It made sense. I asked them to sign and they don't know how to. All you guys need is practice. I noticed that some signs for the colors kind of make sense. They resemble something, and others are just the first letter of that color shaking it. You'll see what I mean. With your pointer finger from your left side of your forehead to the right side of your forehead, black. The tip of your finger on your forehead, black. This is very similar to the sign for summer, which is summer, but summer you flick your pointer finger back, and black is black. This is supposed to resemble the idea of black eyebrows. Kind of fits. We're using only our dominant hand. With white, your hand is all open onto your chest. As you pull out, your hand closes. White. This is to resemble like the white shirts that you guys wear. White. There are two oranges, the color and the fruit. The fruit is put into your mouth, therefore the O is close to your mouth and you squeeze. Orange. Yellow. The letter Y is like this. This is one of those colors where we're just shaking the letter. That's all we're doing. So going back to the example, the kid should answer, shaking the Y. Yellow. Blue is another example of a color where you just shake its first letter. So this is a B with your dominant hand. Your thumb goes in and you shake it. Blue. Green is another one. G, green. We're shaking it. This is supposed to resemble pink lips. With a P, your middle finger is going to be pulling down your mouth. Pink. You're not really going to be pulling down your mouth all the way down, but pink. And then similar to that, red is with your pointer finger down. Red. This is also supposed to resemble red lips. Now purple is also with a P, but you're shaking the P. Purple. Now brown, B is going to be taken to the side of your right cheek and you're going to pull down. Brown. That is brown. Gray. Gray is a mix of black and white. You have black in this hand, white in this hand. What would you feel like this sign should be? This is the gray. Gray. So silver and gold both start the same way. We are pointing towards the ear. Silver starts with an S. Gold starts with a G, yet for gold, for some reason, we do not use a G. We use a yellow. Yellow looks like gold, you know? So for gold, we're gonna go from a pointing to the ear to a shaking yellow. Quick shake. Or you can just go like ear, Y. And then the same thing for silver. Pointing, S. Silver. Or S. Point and flick. Black. Black. White. White. What's the color of this? Orange. Orange. O. O. Orange. Yellow. Shaking the Y. Yellow. This is blue. This is green. G. Green. This is pink. P. Pink. Red. Shaking it. Just shaking it. Purple. What's this color? This is brown. Brown. It's gray. Yes. What's the color for this one? It's gold. This? Silver. Silver. If the way that I'm explaining to you does not work, check out another video. Very easy to remember, but practice. When you're walking around at home and you see a different color, remember. I remember Lean's sign, the sign was this. Okay, let me just sign it. It's with your dominant hand, so you just sign it like that's blue, that's purple, that's yellow, that's pink, that's red. Okay, remember gray was a mix. If you want to challenge yourself, maybe you go check out the other YouTube videos that I have on my channel that have to do with sign language. Check them out, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Comment down below what else you want to learn, what other videos you want to see from me. I really do care about what you guys, enjoy watching. Very important. I post the videos every Sunday, and so press the bell notification button so that you can support me, because every time I upload, you get a notification. You would watch the whole video. And if you want to know why, let me know. I'll explain the algorithm simply to you. Bye!